This Windermere Real Estate Boise Valley property video is presented by Tina Perry. Better than new. Great location off of Lake Hazel Road and S. Maple Grove. Connection to downtown, Interstate and Airport / Gowen area. Lovely home less than a year old. Popular Alturas Hubble floor plan with a huge kitchen island, spacious great room and split bedroom plan. Fully fenced and landscaped. Popular covered front porch and back patio space will bring opportunity for gathering and enjoying the Idaho weather. Neutral color palette and upgraded vinyl in great room and kitchen. Sale includes a refrigerator. Feels much bigger than 1,466 square feet. Community pool, West Ada Desert Sage Elementary and green space all nearby. Home is hers and Energy Star rated with a climate-controlled crawl space. Enjoy the annual energy bill savings that this system will afford you. Don't miss this gem. For more information